I'm David DiBari, the chef and owner of the Parlor, the Cookery, and Donation here in Dobbs, Ferry, New York. My whole motto is eat serious, have fun. So here at the Parlor, we designed a very urban style, LES, kind of grungy. I'm in my friend's basement in high school. We concentrate on Neapolitan pizza. That's why we have a Pavesi oven. It gives us the flexibility to cook proteins and vegetables. I met Peter. We developed a mobile wood-fired oven. We decided to open the Parlor, which Peter developed another oven for me here, something that was a little bit grungy and sort of industrial. One of the things I love about their company is not just a great oven, but the service is fantastic. They're always here for us, they're local. I still just love pizza. It's what I've always wanted to do.